Unveiling the Charm of Homonyms, a deep dive into homonym transformation. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Welcome to today's learning session. Today, we're going to take a dive into the fascinating world of homonyms, specifically focusing on homonym transformation exercises. As you may know, homonyms are words that sound the same and might even be spelled the same, but have different meanings. Transforming them correctly in sentences can elevate your English proficiency. So, let's get started. In our journey to mastering homonyms, the first step is understanding how homonym transformations work. Simply put, it's about using the right homonym in the right context. These transformations can dramatically change the meaning of a sentence. Let's consider an example: the words flower and flower. Sentence A: I bought some flour at the store. Sentence B: I bought some flour at the store. Both sentences are phonetically similar, but the first one is incorrect because flour refers to a plant, not a baking ingredient. The correct homonym to use here is flower. Let's flex those brain muscles with some exercises. You'll see a sentence with a homonym that's used incorrectly. Your task is to identify the incorrect homonym and replace it with the correct one. Ready? Let's go. 1. I went to the beach to enjoy the sunset. Hint: think about where you go to see a sunset. 2. I can't bear to see her in pain. Hint: this sentence refers to an emotional situation. 3. The dessert was too hot to walk through. Hint: this sentence refers to a geographical location. Take your time to think about your answers. Now, let's review the answers. 1. I went to the beach to enjoy the sunset. Not beach, which is a type of tree. 2. I can't bear to see her in pain. Not pain, which refers to a single sheet of glass. 3. The desert was too hot to walk through. Not dessert, which is a sweet treat after a meal. It's okay if you didn't get all the answers correct. The key is to learn from the mistakes and remember the correct usages. That brings us to the end of this homonym transformation exercise. I hope this has been an enlightening experience for you. Remember, mastering homonyms takes practice. Keep exercising and you'll become a homonym whiz in no time. Thank you for your time today. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.